Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Solly, and no Cooper. We have to do online school. I have a break. Yeah, we do school second grade. Cooper second grade. Yeah, we bought a new swing. She didn't know the other swing part. It's gonna be a quick little video. You guys enough to yeah, about my dog and my mom. I'm gonna tell you guys that my dad. My mom and dad, when I walk with my dog Lily, and these people were trying out like electric fence with their big dog that they got, and then it wouldn't work because the little shock didn't really do anything. He got out, and then after he bit my parents' arm real hard and they were bleeding. And then after they also bit my other dad's arm and stuff. And then the dog started like ripping my dog. We had this little collar thing that was around him, so it didn't really do anything, but it was really painful. Yeah, I started whipping him around like a doggy toy. And then after, my mom was freaking out, and the person who had the dog, like the girl who owned it, like, put your mask on. And my mom said some stuff I cannot say on YouTube. And yeah. I had to go to the hospital, but my dog went to the doggy hospital. Yeah, it's beside of a tree. And, yeah. Also, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I might do a last to get off the scooter challenge, maybe. And whoever wins that, I still pay the other person $100. No, $50. I think it's $50. And yeah, the tree house it got painted. You can tell. Zackline's still there. Might do a Nerf battle. We might do showing Nerf guns. Yeah, I'm gonna do that soon. Yeah, probably do that in like 30 minutes. That's when Cooper's getting cold done. I only have 30 more minutes of school later. I have a 2-hour break. That's why I decided to film. And guys, the new Wolverine back blings out in Fortnite just came out. It's probably gonna come out soon. I don't remember. Yeah, I think it's today. So yeah, I'm gonna review the new ones. Yeah, that's it. Bye.